pay yourself first. This means setting aside money for your savings and investments before you pay any other bills or expenses. This can be a difficult habit to develop, but it's essential for building wealth over time. Live below your means. This means spending less money than you earn. This may require making some lifestyle changes, such as cutting back on unnecessary expenses or cooking at home more often. But living below your means will free up more money to save and invest. Save for a rainy day. This means having an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses, such as a job loss or medical emergency. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses in your emergency fund. Invest for the long term. Don't try to time the market or make quick profits. Instead, focus on investing in assets that will grow over the long term, such as stocks and index funds. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your money across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. This will help to reduce your risk if one asset class underperforms. Don't panic sell. When the stock market takes a downturn, it's tempting to sell your stocks and lock in your losses. But this is often the worst thing to do. Instead, stay calm and focused on your long-term investment goals. Don't try to time the market. It's impossible to predict when the stock market will go up or down. Instead of trying to time the market, focus on investing regularly and for the long term. Invest in what you know and love. This means investing in companies or industries that you understand and that you're passionate about. This will make it more likely that you'll stick with your investments even when the market is volatile. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. This means diversifying your portfolio across different asset classes, industries, and geographic regions. This will help to reduce your risk if one asset class, industry, or region underperforms. Take care of your credit score. Your credit score is a 3-digit number that lenders use to assess your creditworthiness. A good credit score can qualify you for lower interest rates on loans and credit cards. It can also save you money on insurance premiums and other expenses. Get out of debt. Debt can be a major financial burden. If you have debt, make a plan to pay it off as quickly as possible. Start by paying off your high-interest debt, such as credit card debt. Once you've paid off your high,